Hello everyone. So this video is about setting up your uh, how to say this, your drawing or your layout, or setting up your printing or plotting. Yeah, plotting lang siguro. Sige, setting up your printing or plotting. So what you need to do first, of course, in the model, if you will be doing uh, drawings, of course you need to set your units, right? So if you don't know this yet, because I've already set your drawings, or I've already set uh, the drawing template that I've given to you, so you need to type units before making drawings. You need to set this up. So you must choose um, what type of length you're using: architectural, decimal, engineering, so decimal, and so on and so forth. This one, and of course the units or insertion scale, units to scale the units, what unit you will be using: centimeters, millimeters, meters, inches, feet, so on and so forth. So of course in our drawings we are using centimeters. So let's use this one first. So okay, so in the layout where we will be printing our drawing, we will set this. So page setup manager, so modify the layout. You can modify that, or again make a new uh, page setup, then modify this one. I'll just modify this one. So as you can see here in the uh, page setup, it's in so we can change that one. There are only two options: inches and So what we are going to do is to change this one to if we are using metric, of course, if we are using the English units, then inches. So we are using the metric, just use the So okay, so why is this the scale that we're using? So use custom scale. Do not fit to paper, so use custom scales. So why are we using this scale 0.1? So uh, going back to the model, in our model we set our units in centimeters, right? So here in our page setup where we're going to plot our works, there's only two options: and inches. So because it is in or millimeters, um, we need to convert the unit in a centimeter. So how many millimeters in 1 centimeters? So that is 10, right? So how many millimeters in 1 centimeter? So how many millimeter, sorry, how mm, yes, how many millimeters in uh, if you convert that 1 millimeter, what is it in centimeters? So that is 0.1, right? Okay, so that's why it's 1, and then 0.1 here in the unit. So that's it. So okay, so our drawing will be just like this one. So what if we are using millimeters? So we just need to change this one, units, enter, and then let's say sorry, we'll just use, if we will be using millimeters, then that is 1 ra po na to ibutang dito, but much better if we will use the meters. Okay, so let's go back to the layout, and then we can just control P, just don't okay para dili ma-print, and then maora man na dre. Kay katong layout man natong gisab. So here, instead of using 0.1, how many 1 millimeters is equals to how many meters? So this is in meters, millimeters. So that is 1000 millimeters is equals to 1 meter. So this is 0.001. Am I correct? Yes, I think so. Then okay. Sorry, don't apply to layout, just apply to layout, or you can just page setup manager, modify the layout, and that's it. The same thing. Okay, close. So where is our drawing? So as you can see, our drawing became so big because this one is in millimeters. Okay, so what we are going to do is um, to adjust this one. So long template, long band paper size in millimeter. So if we already have our template just like this one, we need to scale this one down so that it will fit on the uh, this paper, okay, or paper size. Okay, so where's that? Long band paper size in mm, 215.9. Where's that? So let's make a rectangle. The 330.2 enter 215.9. Okay. In mm ano ba? Sorry, in meters, sorry rather. So naka meters man dito, sorry. So I will just type in meters. So 215, that will be 1 2. So am I correct? So 1000 to 1 2 2 ra ba? Millimeters man, so in inches 1 centimeters 1. I think sakto. Sige. So point 2.1 sorry, 3.30 excuse, 3.302 enter 2.159 enter. Okay, 0.2 gini ay 0.2 0.3302 enter 0.2159 enter. Okay. Sakto man, di ba? Am I right? Maybe my convention is, let's say, mm to m. Masakto lagi. So Okay, so we need to scale this one here. So align okay. So as you can see, the dimension um, was not scaled because this is not an annotative dimension, so you need to make this one annotative in the text side. Where's that? This one, yes. Okay, how about the text? Do we need to make this one annotative? Yes, we must. Okay, annotative, yes. Okay, so again, magyapon ang text. Just erase that one. Okay, because it is not inside. Wala labot. So as we can see here, the drawing is not shown or was not shown. The visible line. Let me just see. Wala din annotate. Wala siya annotate. Let me just rewind it or rewind it. Kani annotate ani tanan. This one. Where's that annotation? Yes. Yes. So I need to annotate this one. Yes, man. Yes, na po siya. Just delete that one. So as you can see, the drawing was not shown because the scale is different. So I'll just scale this one. One is to so this is already in meter, so I cannot use 1:1 here because excuse, the drawing is too big because it's in meter, right? So I need to change this one 1:100. So this is the drawing. Okay. So as you can see, the how to say this, the pattern must change. So kag-annotate man din na ako sa annotative scale. No, kaya So mo reduce mo gud siya, so that mo na mo mahitabo. So that's it. So this one is in meters na. So what you are going to do, mao na niyang setup ni nato. Then when you select the scale of the viewport that you are using, you just need to select it here. Okay, mas dali siya, unlike sa tong previous na kung gihatag ninyo, unlike to the previous template that I've sent you. The layout is in inches mo good. So kana mo gini mahitabo. Okay, so I think that's it, diba? So that's how you change or set up the your plot or your plotting. Okay, so that would be all. I guess na ba may puno? I guess wala na. So I hope you learned something from this one. So let's see you in the next video.